Hello, hi, I'm Robin. Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel.
But if you don't know where to start, grooming guru Robin James is here to help. He's got over 60 million views on his YouTube.
If you like hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments below.
If you're driving a car or sitting in an office, you get something called incidental sun damage, which essentially is the sun damage that you don't know about.
What kind of price is this?
This is around about the £40 mark, but, but it's cheaper than Botox and it's cheaper than the work that you might get done. And in terms of kind of like your routine of fragrance, hair, grooming, what do you do? Because I mean, you always look great. Is there key things you do?
One guy, one day, for a makeover like no other. We've got Brandon. He's a 24-year-old pharmacist from Stoke-on-Trent in the north of England. And he's come down here for a new haircut, fragrance, skincare, and a new outfit.
You are very open about how you're feeling. I think, you know, as men, we don't often discuss things like this. Your hair looks incredible.
I know. It's incredible, isn't it?
I mean, I'm amazed. I thought it was going to look good, but you've got a perfect hairline.
I do have a perfect hairline. I know.
Now, in general, I would say you've got slightly dry skin. So we're going to look for something slightly creamier, slightly thicker, more viscous. It means it's going to really hydrate the skin.
I like this because it's like, it's brands that we all know, and it's just the way you've put this together. It's just amazing.
Much appreciated, thank you very much.
First one you've got here, a little blotting paper. Press it onto your cheeks, onto your nose, onto the T-zone. Oh, or just smear it, yes. You can see it's gone a little bit sort of see-through. That is the grease off your face.
Now this is Jack. He's been growing his hair out for the past year. It's got some really great length, but just needs to be tidied and defined.
This one is sartorial. I actually put this up on my Instagram stories last night, and I had maybe 6 guys reply, hi, if that was you, saying that this was their fragrance. I also think men have so many choices, you know, from skincare, serums, moisturizers, hair care, clays, putties. And I think this is just an extension of that. You know, it is looking after hair.
It's a natural progression, isn't it, really?
Do something for me. Go back in, take the t-shirt off and just go with the shirt and then tuck it.
Yeah, no worries.
Hi, okay.
Feel very summery.
Very summery.
Yeah.
Let's go to the mirror. Okay, the shirt is Calvin Klein.
Which hair product to use and when to use it. Taking a look at clay, gel, pomade, and cream.